Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss problem number 1 based on homogeneous equations. That is, we have to solve the problems on system of homogeneous equation. Now let me start the problem. So problem number first, here you have to given solve the following system of equations: 3x minus y minus z equal to 0, x plus y plus 2z equal to 0, 5x plus y plus 3z equal to 0 be the given system of equations. You observe this given system of equation, RHS is totally 0. RHS is a totally 0. Hence, we have to given the system is of the type homogeneous system of equation. After the identifying this type of equation, means this is homogeneous equation, we have to just write it into matrix form immediately. Now what is the matrix form of the given system? Now let me start the matrix form of a given system. The given system of equations can be written in matrix form as what is that? This will get, this is ax is equal to now I am saying ax is equal to, I am saying here matrix z, ax is equal to matrix z. Because of that RHS is totally 0, that matrix z is called as a null matrix or zero matrix, where matrix A means what? The matrix A, it is called as, where I am writing here, where matrix A is equal to is coefficient matrix. You also think about what is x. So x is called as, this is unknown matrix. Unknowns matrix means, unknown matrix means in this matrix it contain value of x, y, z. Z is equal to, that is a null matrix. We call this is a null, or we call that is a zero matrix. So this is a matrix form of above system, means the given system of equation is given, some correction is there, then the given system of, I am writing here, system of equation can be written in the matrix form as ax is equal to z. Now if you have to clearly getting the what is the matrix form of this system is ax is equal to b, then put the value of matrix A, matrix x and matrix z is there. So I'm writing what is a matrix A. Matrix A is nothing but it is just what is the coefficient matrix, means we have to write here coefficient of the equation as in column wise 3 1 5. In the second column you have to getting -1, then 1, then 1, the next -1, 2 and 3 is there. This is all about matrix A. And what is unknown matrix, guys, here? So this will get x, y and z. These are the unknowns in the equation, so that's why we have writing here unknown matrix. This is always of order 3 by 1, means there is a one column only in this unknown matrix. And also we have to write the RHS matrix, means the matrix RHS is clearly what is that, 0 0 and 0, so we called this is 0 or null matrix. After the taking the substitution of these matrix A, matrix B and matrix Z, we have to just or immediately write what is augmented matrix. Therefore I am writing is, therefore augmented matrix of above system is given as what is augmented matrix? It is denoted by a matrix AZ, means it is nothing but it is a combination of matrix A and null matrix. It is a combination of matrix A and null matrix. So simply you have to write the first matrix A as 3 1 1, means last element will be what is that, 5, 3 1 5 will be there, means second column is here -1 1 and 1, and the third column of the matrix is -1 2 and 3. Now this is nothing but this is just a combination of matrix A and null matrix, so that's why I'm writing here 0 0 0. So this is called as augmented matrix. This is called as augmented matrix. Now we have to convert augmented matrix into echelon form. Now let me write here next step. We have to convert, we have to reduce, I am writing here, reduce the matrix, which is a matrix, the above matrix, means I am writing very clearly, we have to reduce the augmented matrix in echelon form, the augmented matrix in echelon form. Means after taking the augmented matrix in echelon form, so you will perform here some row transformation, you will have to perform here some row transformation. Now let's see, your augmented matrix now can be written now just in this way. So this is equal to, so it is a simply, it is a 3 1 5, it is a 3 1 5. Next element is a minus 1 1 and 1. Next one is a minus 1 2 and 3, and this is just a combination of elements 0 0 0. This is augmented matrix, guys. Now we have to convert into echelon form, means making by some row transformation is there, making by some row transformation is there. So how to convert it? So let's see, we have to here perform, we have to perform which operation is there. So here you have to change only R12, means interchange first row and second row only, interchange the first row and second row only. So what you will get here, the augmented matrix becomes, the augmented matrix becomes A Z is equal to, we have to interchange R12, means what is that here, that is 1 1 2 0, that is a 3 minus 1 and minus 1. Nothing is a change, guys, only the place of row 1 and row 2 is a change, only the place of row 1 and row 2 will be the change, but nothing is a change is there, just only place of row R1 and R2 is a change. Same row R3 remains still as it is. Now we have to take, or we have to make here leading element, means below the leading element all elements are 0. We have to make below the leading element all elements are 0, means in echelon form you have to just observe here, we have to make leading element in first row and first column is 1, it makes other elements are, what is that, 0, means below the other element is, we have to create here 0. So let's see which are the below element of leading elements. So 3 and 5 we make here 0. So how to make here? So we have to perform here, guys, we have to perform the operation as, we have to perform the operation as, means by using row transformation. That is very simple here. We have to make second row of first column is 0. So how do we perform this? Means change in what, R2 and R3. So change in R2 as R2 minus, with the help of R1 we get 3 R1, and we have to change also R3 minus 5 R1. So by using these operations you have to make below the leading element the elements are 0. So I am writing here AZ, that is augmented matrix, becomes, after taking this substitutions, means after taking this some transformation is here, nothing will be changed in first row. So 1 1 and 2 there is a no change. I am writing here clearly, it is a matrix 1 1 2 and 0, but change in what, R2 in change, what is that, R2 minus thrice R1, means 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3, so what will become 0. Also 5 minus 5, that will become 0. Also now R2 is a minus 1 minus 3, it will becomes minus 4, it will becomes minus 4. Now also here R3 is, what is that, 1 and minus 5 will be there, so it will get, what is that here, minus 4. 1 and minus 5, that will get minus 4. And also you do operation on row R2 as R2 minus thrice R1, it will get 7 divided by 4, it will get 7 divided by 4. Here is also 7 divided by 4, and RHS matrix is totally null matrix, that's why 0 minus 0, anything perform here with 0, that will get 0. Now you make here in a second row, you observe the second row, you make that -4 as a +1. You make that -4 as a +1 by taking, so you have to making this as a 1, and also you have to making these elements as 1. So how to 1, there is a next my performation is there, so therefore we'll perform here, we perform here. Now that is a -1/4 into change in R2 and -1/4 into change in R3. Then what we will get in augmented matrix, let's see. So therefore the augmented matrix AZ is equal to, we have to getting now simply the matrix as nothing is a change in first row, 1 1 2, and here is a 0, nothing is a change in first row, but in the second row there will change, so it has multiplied by only -1/4. So -1/4 into 0, it will become 0, -1/4 into 4 -4, that will get 1, and here you will have to getting here -7/4, -7/4, that will becomes here +7/4, remains still as it is, means here the element as clearly you know that the element is 7 divided by 4, so you will have to getting here -7/4, you will have to getting here -7/4. So clearly nothing is a change in first row. After changing this transformation, you will have to getting that here 7/4 as it is, means this will get here simply this will get, this is a 7 and here is a 7, not a 7/4 is there, this is a 7 and this will also here 7. Now after making this some transformation, you have to getting that is 7 divided by 4, here is also the element is 0, so next row is a 0, then 1, then here also 7 divided by 4. So these values are becomes -7 and -7, guys, these values are becomes -7 and -7 in previous step, so therefore this will get here also 0. Now we have to make this leading element as a 0. Because of that, you observe here every leading element below the every leading element, it is a below element, so we make a 0 clearly. Now you observe the second row means A22 position element is 1, therefore it's a below the element, we make here 0. So for that we have to perform which row transformation is here, we have to perform only change in R3 minus only here R2. So you will have to getting the next step, what is augmented matrix, that is augmented matrix AB is equal to, so the matrix will becomes, this is now in this way, means here clearly nothing is changed in first row, 1 1 2 and 0 is there. Now in second row you observe here, 0, that would be 1, that 7 divided by 4 and 0, but in the last row there is a change, guys, in last row there is a change, so 0 minus 0 it is 0, 1 minus 1 it is 0, 7/4 minus 7/4 it is also 0, and the last element of this matrix is also 0. Now clearly you observe that this is echelon form, this is echelon form, this is echelon form of augmented matrix, and if you have to finding first what is echelon form of augmented matrix, then you have to check the rank of matrix AB. So AB is nothing but it is, guys, AB is nothing but it is a augmented matrix, it is a combination of AZ, it is a combination of, guys, AZ only, it is a combination of AZ. Now after making this echelon form, you have to perform what is that, the rank of matrix, means the rank of matrix A is equal to rank of augmented matrix AZ, and that is equal to, you check here number of non-zero rows in this matrix, these are equal, and that's why this is equal to 2. You check rank of matrix A is equal to also 2, and rank of total matrix is also equal to 2, but it is a less than number of unknown, so I am writing here it is a less than n means what is that? Number of unknowns. And if it has a number of unknowns, then it is clearly, therefore system has, hence I am writing here, system has infinite number of solution. System has infinite number of solution. Means system contains, that is system contains non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. So this is what, this is what about the solution. Means system contains how many solutions? So it contains infinite number of solution, means non-trivial solution. Then we have to solve here, or what is a non-trivial, then you have to solve here what is a non-trivial solution. Now let's see how to find now the non-trivial solution. For consideration, we call this is equation number suppose 1, and 1 is called as echelon form. And by using the echelon form, we take the system of equation as, therefore I am writing here. So first I am writing here how parameter will take here. So therefore the number of parameter, the number of parameter here we have to take, that is equal to n minus r. N minus r means it is nothing but n is a 3 minus r will be the rank, and rank is a 2. So 3 minus 2 here is a 1. So therefore it allows only, therefore we take one parameter. One parameter is, suppose a t I am considering is there, t. So therefore I am writing, therefore the corresponding system of equation is given as, I am writing the corresponding system of equation is given as, that is very simple. The corresponding system of equation from equation 1, I am writing from equation 1, that is the echelon form of matrix. This is a very clearly, you observe this, this is a x means coefficient of x, y, z are 1, 1, 2 and 0. Therefore I am writing here x plus y plus 2z, guys, x plus y plus 2z. Therefore x plus y plus 2z is equal to 0. And second equation you will have to getting here only y plus 7 by 4 into z, that is equal to 0. But you know that very well, we have to take one parameter is allowed here, one parameter is allowed. So therefore I am writing here put z is equal to t. So will becomes the value of x and y here. Now in this way, put z is equal to t, therefore y equals to what is that, minus 7 divided by 4 into z. It becomes minus 7 divided by 4 into what is that, t. And y is equal to here minus 7 divided by 4 into t. This is second value we got here, now therefore how to write x? X can be written as, this is a minus y minus 2z is there. So x is equal to minus y means minus of minus 7 divided by 4 into t. This is a value of y, minus 2 into value of z is what is that here, t. So after making some calculation here, x is equal to, clearly it is a minus 1 by 4 into t, and this is value for x, this is value for x. Hence system has infinite many solution, or infinite solution given as x equal to minus 1 by 4 into t, y equal to minus 7 divided by 4 into t, and z is equal to t, where t is parameter. And this is the solution of your given system of equation. I hope you understand very well this example and enjoy this example, guys. Thank you.